Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change Facebook location setting. Launch the Facebook app on your phone, log into your Facebook account if you haven't already. Tap the menu icon, three horizontal lines in the top right, Android or bottom right for iOS. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Change location settings. Edit your location in your post. Go to Settings, Profile. Under Profile and Tagging, find the section that says Who can see your location and tap on it. Use your preferred privacy setting for location information, such as friends, only me, or custom. Change location for check-ins. When creating a post or check-in, tap the location icon Map Pin to add or change your location. Search for the location you want to set or allow Facebook to use your current location automatically. And that's everything you need to know about how to change Facebook location setting. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.